Folks, this video is about two things: fishing, and while I'm fishing, I'm started thinking about what I can cook, like finger food, to have in the refrigerator at all times. Whenever I'm hungry, I can reach in there and grab that bag, give me 2 or 3 out and eat them, and just keep on going. And instead of eating a meal here and a meal there, eat a little bit throughout the day like that to keep you from being real hungry. And maybe you won't sit down and keep gaining weight all the time, eating too big a meal. Just eat something to kind of fuel your appetite. And I think a little finger food would be ideal for that, to have it ready. Okay, here we are. We done got it in the pan, getting ready to put it in the oven. I'm gonna take some olive oil with the little brush I got right here, and I'm gonna just barely touch them. I'm not even gonna wipe it across them that much, just barely touch them all the way down through there, and that gives me enough oil. You don't more than that. Any more than that, it'll make it too greasy, so you want just a little grease on it as you can get by with. And I tell you one thing, once you taste them, they just like potato chips you eating out of the bag and from the store. You can't hardly stop eating them. So I just want to warn you. So you could eat it, you know, like you do crackers and stuff. Just get away from some of them crackers, because it's got so much stuff in them that it really causes you more harm than it does good, other than satisfying your hunger. All right, here we go. That's some garlic right there I cut up. I cut it up smaller than that. I just want to show you that. And I mix it all in the mix. But you can take anything that you want to put onions, anything, even chopped up vegetables, and try it. So you just got to try it, and whatever you like, you can add it in there, and it tastes just like potato chips. You can't beat it, so you just got to try it and, you know, come up with your own recipe. So here we go. While I'm fishing, to catching them big ones like you see what I'm catching there now. So maybe we can get some going on with the cooking also. Okay, here we go. We're got some grits and instant iced potato mix. Okay, 2 cups of cooked whole grits, 2 cups of instant iced potato mix, 1 cup of distilled water or milk. If still too thick, add more liquid. Salt to your taste. Cook just like you would biscuits. 15 minutes, 475 degrees. You start off with the bottom shelf, about 7.5, and then move them up to the top, about 7.5, and still need a little more browning, another 2 or 3 minutes. So just watch them and they'll come out just right. I used a little small measuring spoon to drop them in the pan. Dip the spoon in a cup of water every other time for a smooth operation. Have fun. Folks, if you like my video just a little bit, hit that like button, and while you're over there around them buttons, hit that subscribe channel button. Thank you. Okay, folks, y'all get ready. We'll get ready to go fishing again now in a few days.